Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
The second in command, Pa Solomon Omosio, expressed joy over the appointment of the full oil and gas committee and urged them to ensure purposeful representation of the community in the state, federal, and the traditional council in order to attract excellent development. In a remark, the committee chairman, Mr. Moses Igaro, on behalf of other members, expressed joy over the confidence reposed in them, assuring that they will not fail in their assignment. On his part, the Olotu Igbama, Lucky Omori, was equally thankful to the Ojonwe for the opportunity to serve the EVBUOVBIORHON community.
The traditional institution know that a EVBUOVBIORHON community is the host community to Summit Oil International. We gave them land to operate, and they've been operating here, and by special grace of God, they will continue to progress on our land. And we want to also correct a notion that EVBUOVBIORHON as a host community should be given the recognition and not to ascribe the host community to another community.
I thank God. I thank our community today, most especially our Ojonwe, the men and the women, for endorsing me as one of the leaders in the EVBUOVBIORHON community.
Amenze Claudia Odumano reporting. That report completes the morning news. Thanks for staying with us. My name is Amenze Claudia Odumano. Stay safe and have a wonderful Sunday. Good morning.
Yes, so my people, I greet you now better style. Who are water? Wa museveni wa o. EVBUOVBIORHON community. Wa dere iwe a video na boya ben akbe. Nu wa make na hen we e wa ba boe ezonini. And the man gele nyawo ni or kamiyan we wa nyawo na. Ewo na ogwa no. Oye ni wa dey in charge. You understand? Now, if you do what that we a bigger doing. When there are certificates to prove that that village belongs to a EVBUOVBIORHON community. Now, where is the certificate? It is already certificate that the oil and gas, the oil where that village where they drill so. The people where they drill the oil company, that certificate they go with know the rightful person where they go feel they pay homage to. Because the people where they pay homage to will still they collect their revenue. Now, the EVBUOVBIORHON now, where they don't already celebrate, they don't enjoy, they don't happy, they don't can't say, our king don't judge the case, we don't win. They still there where they dey. Whereby the certificate, who is sitting on the certificate, we want to know. Is it Frank Erabo who refused to release the certificate to the rightful people waiting our king don't talk? When our king don't speak, is it the secretary that is still holding the certificate because of Ilalobo, or the same people, some of the group of people still hold the certificate, use until it under the rest of other people We want to know. That's the reason why I brought this out. When I write my number, come on, pin am. EVBUOVBIORHON community. I want to know they call one by one. Because the matter now, all self a kriba ye. Na make it now home no be abu. Do what no ni, I will my head babu one. Wabata. Because on home like what can but or you say. Because people might be thinking maybe this issue now church play. If you know you are from that community and you know anything about that community, you have to call now. We want to know who is holding the certificate. Or when no game about seven, that don't need my own man. About career on good me. Man, can I fetch you one by one? Not ask me if I'm from the village. If you know anything about the village, call. You don't have to ask me if I'm from the village. It shock you, say I bring the matter come out. It shock you, say I bring the matter come out. You want to big women. What they are your a certificate na ya gwezo nebe gwa. No keke na me ware nya wo. Aye miewe no batane. Aye koti yo. Motedo. Eme no bat bune. Owe bomo ba me wi yo bone gwa ye ne do ye me. Ami kiki okpa wo ti edo no ma gbi na ba moto. Egwa na o no yin azuze yo na. Eso ga bo wa, eso ya gwo wa o. Egwa na o no yin azuze yo na. Bomo ba me o. Yo bone egwa ye ne do ye me. Egwa ga itemene. Aron paro no fi egwe ye. Aron paro no fi egwe ye. Owu wa egwa ga itemene wa ya lu oboto wa ya ri lobo wa ya yi go ya bribe. Ne me dige se wa to wi. Mo ita mu wana wa to wi. Omo no we a certificate ni yen ke no je ra yen omo no gwe ra waya mie e frank ra boy ne waya mie frank ra boy ne wana ri hin wana to tayo negeve enika wa so adele bu wa pepe enika o nya so adele bu wa re wa latiania what to take it wa because this time around it's not going to be easy for easy land. No nia where a matter ni me kwa kana wani bi egboko ibi egboko bi ewo community wa to ma no ma wa. You understand? So we don't know who is who. If they the chairman no, we don't know. Everybody's a suspect. Because the way you are here behaving now, why ya me matter? Ogberu kedi goji, ogberu e wa ya je. And nobody's left out. Oh God, some of my mother that comment and make me laugh. You know, it's the truth. Egboko community, EVBUOVBIORHON village. You people attention is needed right now in the one table. You can't even know what we're joking. Can't bear no. Because the video not clear for one. Or not clear to my taste. Shall we for me and be? Because the system is not slow now. Go to play this video on my phone. It's 3, 5, 8, 1. Sure, that's my number. Oh, let me play this video on my phone. EVBUOVBIORHON community. Hello. What's up, bro? Don't sir. What? Oh, yes. Air speaker.
Come with something you are there. So, again, you guys celebrate a guy, you know.
Yeah.
So, the one guy, so I just okay, let me see if you're online. The one guy will really laughing out, okay, I call you.
Okay.
When Uvu, and I agree on understanding,
Yeah.
I can be making you, I can call you a doctor.
Exactly.
Understand? No, hey, you when my near tea, no way when kitty.
Okay, so when
Only.
okay.
Hey, yoka is what a water ministry so yoga support you the king gonna be here, understand me?
Yes.
As long as you video or ya do ya kind this guy no and a boy no a good message because a message you no give metame hoy or any and also how you say you deliver that message.
Yes.
Because one time a message not give, it was a real true message. You understand it, right?
Yeah.
So, Monica be with what they call her that adulterous woman. That woman is a lead to the Edo people. You understand it, right?
Yeah.
Then I don't know some women so quick you already at here. Able were best on the same looks together.
Exactly.
So here you are not supporting Monica. They are all best on the same feather. You understand even?
Yeah.
And if you don't know where you look come this. I don't have very well. That is another idiot woman. One lady near the room. They were lady Casalina the room. I know her very well. A woman here, yes, you can do when you look where you look that lady is a very big prostitute and a very when you say somebody is I don't know how I would put it, she's an alcoholic woman. You understand me?
Okay,
She's an alcoholic, a chronic one. So such people are not supposed to even to be listened to. You understand? They don't listen to because keep in there.
No one has a man went through a topic in the topic of him. Understand?
Okay.
What is the topic in my just lay your own contribution there.
Okay. Okay. I will lay my contribution.
Yeah.
I understand, but the only thing I will tell you, meanwhile, stand by your truth. Don't let anybody deceive you. Because I hardly call people, but I have watched your program through my wife and this thing, and I see where you are somebody who stands for the truth. Exactly. Always make sure you stand for the truth. Do not let anyone distract you from your truth, and God will empower you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Go yo.
What's it, sir?
Go yo.
All right, sir.
A man and stay blessed. Bye bye. Yeah.
Yes, so
the media position. No, during an enlarged meeting of the elders and youth at EVBUOVBIORHON Community. The report. Members of the former Oil and Gas Committee are Mr. Moses Igaro, Chairman, Nomsa Okunbo, Secretary, Lakia Mori, Olochigbama, and Idahusa Rossi, Treasurer. The Ojungwe Pamenanawo Usayu stressed the need for members of the committee to live up to expectation as the community had lacked adequate representation. He thanked Oba Benin Oba Ewari II for the peace that characterized his reign and appealed that EVBUOVBIORHON should not be relegated to the background as the host community to Summit Oil and Gas International. The second in command, Solomon Omosio, expressed joy over the appointment of the full Oil and Gas Committee and urged them to ensure purposeful representation of the community in the state, federal, and the traditional council in order to attract excellent development. In a remark, the committee chairman, Mr. Moses Igaro, on behalf of other members, expressed joy for the confidence reposed in them, assuring that they will not fail in their assignment. On his part, the Olochigbama, Lucky Omori, was equally thankful to the Ojongwe for the opportunity to serve the EVBUOVBIORHON community.
The traditional institution know that the EVBUOVBIORHON community is the host community to Summit Oil International. We gave them land to operate, and they've been operating here. And by special grace of God, they will continue to progress on our land. And we want to also correct a notion that EVBUOVBIORHON as a host community should be given the recognition and not to ascribe the host community to another community.
I thank God. I thank our community today, most especially our Ojongwe, the men and the women, for endorsing me as one of the leaders in the EVBUOVBIORHON community.
Amazing, Claudia reporting. As that report completes the morning news, thanks for staying with us. My name is Amazing Claudia Dumama. Stay safe and have a wonderful Sunday. Good morning.
Yes. Monica na yo wa. Ogbe wa gun. O se won na. Ogbo le kere sin. Ibi e do wa da me ho. A community now. Oba fine the certificate ni Frank Irabo sign eri ni yan. Aye yi na. The certificate aye yi na ti now. Ekiniya do we gwa yan so we chifeso. Ekina we chifeso do we gwa wa ni baba ma hen. Yan are yan ti oba atokpe yan career. You understand? Ya ria toria waria de. Ya aje ni egwa ya fibeleku. Ya aje ni egwa ya nego. Ya aje ni egwa ya nego. Now, EVBUOVBIORHON, the people on EVBUOVBIORHON kere egboko. Obuwa le ruwe matana. Obuwa wa ruwe gedegbe. Because woman anagwala boy. You people cannot tell me where for you people to collect certificate and you did not collect it up till now. Why protests about the issue? If you people doesn't have hand inside, what is holding you people hostage for you people not to come out and fight for what really belongs to you? What our father has already said is on here already. And all this one are evidence to prove where Matani has been settled. Then why wobo? Why wobo or ilalobo? Why or ilalobo? This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning of this issue. When you can't do ya we are making a hand where a matuwa, a EVBUOVBIORHON community, mahone, agboya honey, and more evidence to come, and the man certificate in Igwe will soon be come out, will soon be brought out, and why I'm not be mad. Even the time we are making a damn here. Certificate in Igala, or certificate in Igwe, Igana Egbe, Igasaga Egbe. Do a my hand, we are making a more social media king. Certificate in Igwe. If you like yourself, you don't want me your career support for this social media. Now social media, we could do the right thing. Dave Frank Erabono do the right thing, sign the paper and give them their own original copy. As far as the government China, all you need to do is to sign the paper. I can be signing the palace. I'm not very lobolobo Frankine. If Frankine sign be, I'm not 100. Often 1 by 2 Frankine community. A sign be. Is the palace not paying Frank Erabo? If Frank Erabo, he pay with the palace in. He pay with the palace in. If we're not buweri, we don't carry. Na kaya afin to no community. Oto na wafian we community. Or was the full community. And at the end of the month, you are receiving salary as Benin Traditional Council Secretary. You're not going to use no power to collect land, they collect money for people's hand. Why are you Roland Ehoy? No way Frank Erabo, who is no worse than Roland Ehoy. Who do you have to see my way? Who do you have to see my way? As a secretary, you sign the document and give them their own copy so that you will have respect in the eyes of the people. The people that you ask to go and business amount to go and give you land before you sign a document for them, you think they will respect you as secretary anymore? Do you think they will respect you as a secretary anymore? Oh, a secretary, a rabbi. I know what you did to one guy, one bus driver in a Kenwa Road. Erodon close. Frank Erabo. Even now, who you walk when Frank Erabo, that was I can still remember the years. You know, a bus driver, a bootway. The bus driver went to pick the car, a car was a palace worker. He went to pick a child, he was taking the child to school early in the morning. A bus driver in here park on us crashing motor. The guy called you as a secretary. The first day, the first time you were one-on-one with her, everybody was begging. You bundle that guy into that boots. Who bundle a guy in your boots? That was crashing motor. The motor not crashing now. Camry. This is the secretary of our palace. Wa we mi wa o ga de wa wa. Wa ha ki agwa. Wa we na mi wa wanya do. A little power will be given to you. People will misuse it, use it to oppress the less privileged, use it to oppress the commoner. As the king has spoken, so shall it be. Next thing you have to do as a secretary, you sign the paper and give them their own copy. You give them their own copy. Instead, you keep the secretary, you keep the document, be requesting for money, requesting for piece of land. And you think people, how am I? We know all these things, all this while. We just want to keep quiet. There is time for everything. No, you cannot deny it anymore. Go. You cannot bribe me. That's the truth. You cannot bribe me. The problem in the monkey facing social media now is because it's throwing mats to our house anyhow. Some of the things in Otta and what are away. Some of the things in the minute and what are away. If you know some that echo and a monkey face katane. If you know some that Roland echo, monkey face have said it before. You supposed to stop this bribing of a teen. Wow. One take wow. I don't take Buwame. Stop him in Wahoo. That is the only way peace could defeat the land. I'm like a Conwenza Luguri, on Hamek Boane Bio. What have you again and go back to Leduji? Wow, Betty. Wariago. A bribe Bualamio. A Laloba Buanamio. If you know my cordia, a palace or what time of phone and a minimatic cooking Algeria. If you know Imotene Gua or what time of phone. You are like I want to very well with our way. Our way of food in American Nigeria. You're not gonna allow in a proper way. In a proper way. Enough is enough. Because a nonsense in what do you ask your koyedo? Nibia diviedo, Aragbilibi. That is where it's getting to now. It can only now. It can what you carry, and now. When you want it, or can I walk in? They will give you post, you will be humiliated that post, using it for bribing and corruption. And when you're a tunnel, where you be mad to Tanya, to Tanya Yarigo. And once I mean, everything is money, everything is bribe.
They remain the host community to Summit Oil and Gas International. The media position known during an enlarged meeting of the elders and youth at EVBUOVBIORHON Community. The report. Members of the former Oil and Gas Committee are Mr. Moses Igaro, Chairman, Nosa Okumbo, Secretary, Lakia Mowi.
It's a short message. A EVBUOVBIORHON community.
The need for members of the committee to live up to expectation.
You know what they pay me for this matter? You see all these our old men. I will do one. It's one in EVBUOVBIORHON community. Any man guy. Any man that guy. Would there have you to now? Have you to none of your now? Any now. Anywhere, I better to you, Lena.
they remain the host community to summit oil that's international. The leader opposition known during an enlarged meeting of the elders and youth at EVBUOVBIORHON Community for report. Members of the former oil and gas committee are Mr. Moses Igaro, chairman.
I didn't know what cook back in a Wahala in a Madaga, I did one, I was one year, my dear guy, we did one in on a by worry.
Of the committee to live up to expectation as the community.
And I was one year, my anything. They don't know anything.
Community had lacked
And we not really tell me, yeah.
He thanked Oba Benin Oba Ewari II for the peace that characterized his reign and appealed that EVBUOVBIORHON should not be relegated to the background as a host community to Summit Oil and Gas International. The second in command, Pa Solomon Omosio, expressed joy over the appointment of the 4 Oil and Gas Committee and urged them to ensure purposeful representation of the community in the state, federal, and the traditional council in order to attract excellent development. In a remark, the committee chairman, Mr. Moses Igaro, on behalf of other members, expressed joy for the confidence reposed in them, assuring that they will not fail in their assignment. On his part, the Olotu Igbama, Lucky Omori, was equally thankful to the Ojonwe for the opportunity to serve the EVBUOVBIORHON community.
The traditional institution know that EVBUOVBIORHON community is the host community to Summit Oil International. We gave them land to operate, and they've been operating here, and by special grace of God, they will continue to progress on our land. And we want to also correct a notion that EVBUOVBIORHON as a host community should be given the recognition and not to ascribe the host community to another community.
I thank God. I thank our community today, most especially our Ojonwere, the men and the women, for endorsing me as one of the leaders in the EVBUOVBIORHON community.
Amenze Claudia Udumame reporting.
Yes.
That report completes the morning news. Many thanks for staying with us. My name is.
Yes, so my people, I greet you now better style. It's a short message to a EVBUOVBIORHON community, and I use God beg now. I use God beg now. If I know so, know anything about that certificate, as soon as nobody gonna call me, we'll talk, and certificate will go to the right place. Because if I come out for the second time, they're not gonna like me. That is me for you. Now, my people, wanna call me Lolo. Lolo anu ijose. Atieri. Lolo anu ijose abeni atieri. Golden fish. Atieri. That way this man, his attention is needed with immediate alacrity. The attention of Lolo Anu Ijose is needed with immediate alacrity. Because why? Lolo should not feel that she's too important or she's too clean. She's also dirty as Monica. You understand? But the things I am seeing Lolo or Lolo fans doing now, I'm make me call it this one Lolo journal now. Respect is reciprocal. I feel give Lolo warning at that time. I feel give her warning, sound warning. Not because she's too good where everybody they embrace her. And because Monica carry unwo con life, uno wia, uno lugotu, uno zagotu, and Monica Muriagmo. That's the reason why you see everybody beat Monica. Because Monica and his gang, the two form of doing evil. But Lolo, you and your gang want start to do evil. Before it will be too late. Before you go too rapid now, you better call your household to order with immediate alacrity. Yeah, you better call your household together as you don't be say you don't know me. You know me. You know me. This social media, as I just want to arrange this social media in a peaceful manner. You understand? If your gang, if your gang wants start to do evil now you go suffer. Look at your friend, they inform you. Any of your lovers, they know they love you, they will need to be responsible the way you are. If you are responsible, they will need to be responsible the way you are responsible. So if you are irresponsible and your followers are so irresponsible, and I will treat I know how to treat an irresponsible people. You understand? I know how to treat an irresponsible people. The reason I kept quiet for you is not that you are free. After I finish dealing with Monica, I will come for you. Me coming from you is going to be for peace. And if you embrace that peace, peace go reign. But if you deform Odugari when Monica deform so, I don't know you know. You know what I use Amina? I don't know you know. Or ye be the day or over. Or ye be the day I saw. I mean on here say, I bring back say what's another brother system this so ye be the day because of we are be a tababe here way. You understand? You better think twice. You see this picture where I see for social media so. And a lot either you or your fans never do one. The person will do a victory. I never seen her here now. Victoria Victory. Victoria Victory. She did with me yesterday morning when I did live video. They insult Okmaika for my platform. I see her. She did insult Okmaika for my platform yesterday morning. And now she bring Okmaika picture. Right recipes put. You understand me so? Before I talk to person, I explain the reason why I talk to person. Lolo, yesterday morning, I do video. You understand? They talk to Monica. Your fans, or you particularly, because I believe that you they use that frozen account. Either you or your fans was using that frozen account, insulting Okmaika. And the next thing she could do is go and pick Okmaika pictures and post rest in peace posts. You understand? Attention. You see the picture? Look at they show you. You see the picture of an age. Despite say Okmaika cannot respect herself. Of an age, Okmaika cannot be your mate. Respect is reciprocal. If you talk of age, just go marry your neighbor. You understand? You see the reason why they always talk to this woman? Maybe they respect themselves. This is the reason why I'm always talking to them. Because we are your God, if you carry your God, we have bottle, if you cannot have a bottle, if you carry your jam, in a way, but that does not warrant you or your fans to go person who their life and the right rest in peace for a picture. Lolo, come to think of it. Okmaika humiliates you, and you also humiliate Okmaika. As Saga, Okmaika insults you, disgraced you, and you did the same thing straight to Okmaika. So I see no reason why your fans or you will come carry person picture, the right person peace put. Okmaika not be your mate. Okmaika not be your mate. I know they fight for Okmaika, But Okpai cannot be your mate. It has not gotten to the extent of writing recipes for person picture. Person will see their life. And the account will do that thing. Now your fans. And the person will support you. Don't be saying you don't know me. That's one way but I will frankly swan about this kind of attitude one on the perform for social media. It's got to stop. And if I see person will do one, or go buy an amugbe, or go nizi dog one year, or one year. When I'm here, I go, arena. Imam big bujama bolu wa boale, ya alam ya agu. A lolo, who rate ya kita wenya. Because when Monica be kita, we be kita. Avec kita we no lega we no bo. Ti yan vient wa. Because if I come for bona, no go like me. Don't say you don't know me. You find know me. Etu maka eme. When get who wa yemi na ho Greek. A lolo, you na ho Greek, so you know. Respect yourself. Whether Okpai cannot want to stay in you, whether Okpai can stay in you, it not concern anybody. Nobody can Okpai can call Europe, and Okpai can know who you want belong to. If you misbehave, I dey see him, I dey monitor him. If Okpai can misbehave, I go come here, come flog him. I mean, Baba will smile, they talk so. Whether it be GPCU, it be GCC, it be GRGCU, it not concern anybody. He has not gotten to the extent of bringing out a picture, compost about social media, compost recipes put. Because I got to go beat now. I make people talk. All Akwaika fans, I got to go beat now. I mean they talk on me. Yagbo wagbe. Wa enti wo ma ni gbena ye. I gas one ni ba even end there. Iwa me Monica. I go just forget Monica matter. I go in town. If na me pem, all of them they call for Vera. Oh no, they call on the ginger Vera make it beat Monica. And the ginger Vera make it beat Monica. And I'm not good. No matter what. I shower on my big bag. I will make no make me start. We not respect myself. I dey tell you now. We not respect myself. Lolo, call your doctor order. Call them. All those your golden anyame, golden fish, what you call them. I be hen make man in wafio nyani. Tinya to order. Ya ko gbegbu wasi gbegbu bono wa ma like me. I want to my. I ko ni get water. Ti kwati bu what order. Abi ko ni get water. Wasi bu what order. Ne gwena mu wa. Abi ko ni o wa ne gwena gele mu wa wa so this gon wa. No, what look no get water. All no asha ko yebe. We not respect myself. We not respect myself. To let the job for we part up. What is wrong is wrong. I want the picture on that want the recipe see yo. A cut you you know money on the cut. Why we do we? Our career. I want down this zoo. What are going to go out? This one. I just short message to you, Lolo, and straight warning. Don't be rude message. I just can't warn you. Talk to your fans. All this kind of nonsense. I don't want to see her. I don't want to see your fans do this kind of thing again. I just in my only tear born way. In my only tear born way. But warning fancy way. Avec another I'm picture one like that. I do have been recipes. You wouldn't stop here. Just waiting. Ogun dey kill your generation. Go and just man, that be your name. What they will Ogun dey kill your pack your mom. They mad. One brother you are. I better go recipes you are. You are money aragon. I feel block you first. I provoke me. I go tear her chest. by Kaima, Maya, walk by Kaima. No, Maya good recipes. You laugh at you. By Kabe Lolo, you have a problem. A lot of you, but by Kavio Lolo. You beat me, I beat you. The rest. Abi? Not be so. Why can't carry picture little picture come and write recipes put? No. They do one kind thing. This one go I watch the video where Lolo good night go do one thing called biker generation or picking name. Biker do you they do each other something. You understand? When I come out, come talk for their matter. Now biker I talk to pass Lolo. Why I talk to biker pass? Because biker na senior. Biker not do like senior. Biker na what you not do. You understand? Or say Lolo now is short as a video. And I come here, I talk to bikers as an elderly person. Make you respect herself. Make children know the insult her. Make children know the humiliate her. Just the way I talk to Mama Boy and Suzuzi, where they cry up and dance. I don't care. I don't talk my own. Let's see what I like when I call. Let's see what I want to when I talk. I mean, you have to wait. I'm one. You understand? When you want to me, tell me, no way misbehave. Why they want to misbehave? If you go be I don't need. Not get permanent friend, not get permanent enemy. You understand? It's not good, not good. Okbaika na ogbeti. Ogbeti second way. Okbaika na ogbeti. No make person carry in picture come out now write recipes. If they write recipes for your picture, you will be happy. If they bring your picture come out when you are alive, write recipes, but you go happy. Or they bring your mama picture come out, write recipes for mama picture, you go there happy. Okay, you know, like I don't quarter, don't fight, don't everybody don't and everybody don't. I don't tell this one say you do your lead, you do your lead. Up by camera you but you. Up by camera you but you know, bit up by camera picture of your lad, you know, picture your lad, you know, not good as a piece you. I give you one of the body lay a dollar. Pass up a little of a cootie. Or get down the road, you eat dinner. Yeah, and when you want to go at the Lemania. Yes, one blasted all of them. Why have been when you why very now we ask one blasted all why have been so I go lolo go understand no respected by I will not me anti Victoria victory you got there right so that my car no there you know get your man with you watch no more more investigator no watch it you know watch or those I watch all of them you understand so one of the using our brain no hate anybody and make peace day now I want make peace day I dey tell all of una be presenters una dey present but una dey always dey talk truth why you gats fiyan by me kini mi yi yana time wa time say you wan say don't stop you leave the rest for that day you understand we know we Monica you know Monica we have every evidence to beat Monica now till 500 years or say no you evidence is raw or boom na ti agbo Monica say 500 years o no ita and when they agbe they are two the moment I video they are two Monica cannot do one video without mami ogi way ogi must la way you understand or we preach Bible even short you preach Bible you can that when we to you understand so why use a brain picture one misbehave you want to saga that person saga am insult am but not because they carry a picture they come and they go the right recipes put e no good Akpaeka respect yourself as a grandmother every time respect yourself make you don't use dey play for social media e no make sense I mean wa gbe ni wa the music yo wa mai wa wa gbe people go dey laugh they go dey watch you you understand na exercise you dey do me for dey reduce you understand and o gbagbe no shall make na ti atun understand yeah that's fine no you know what I'm saying okay so try understand so all those things say mo ya do ni be ka so aru yo wa ko as we are this was how for behind the look now I know say me and look where I'm not to laugh I'm carry come ya for the mock now not I try to use my head well no stop wa ahụ mane wa anyị si ndị mmadụ wa bie wa ya bie lene wa anyị si. You understand? You get one video where I want to play now. I want to play that video. Very important. That video, it goes a long way. Who sent me that video yesterday? That video where I want to see that video. Many videos don't come in pop. When they cover. But they sent me one sweet video yesterday. The video will be safe. That video was so powerful. The message of that video was so powerful. Powerful message. You were so keen. You were the more really. Okay. This is my first time I send message. Last video.
Message to all live video presenters, all commenters who they comment for live video presenters video, and to all callers. Get one video where I watch somebody they do live video and that person comment put. So along the line, the person can choke. Cough can hold the person can get choke with the cough. Unfortunately, the person can die when they comment. When they make call for that person live video. So I can see some lunatic, they celebrate the guy dead. Say na he 9 killer. And those people where they celebrate, their own matter no they hold them for body. Now people matter nine hold them for body.
Okay.
Don't they face their own business? Now people business that they face. But they celebrate say person be another person. That for that person matter. Why then? Now inside people matter they swim day and night. That they sleep day and night put. This message or this course when we want course now to all those be you commenter, caller, or like presenter where celebrate that guy dead. If you don't ever interfere, gossip somebody, interfere to matter because they don't call you boots, you will never know peace.
Amen.
Your own death will be mysterious one.
Amen.
You go die alive, you go dey rotty.
Amen.
Before you die. If you say you don't ever be you commenter, caller, or presenter, when celebrate that guy dead. If you say you don't ever for your life interfere or gossip person matter, we say no, the way we say to know, invite people, don't call you put. Matter we say not be your own. And you celebrate that guy dead where he died when he choke, when they come make call for a side life, you celebrate that guy dead. Be you presenter, caller, or commenters. You will never know peace.
Amen.
You go die alive, you go dey rotty.
Amen.
Your death will be a mysterious one.
Amen.
Your death, people go carry champagne and pour champagne for your head.
Amen.
Let's celebrate now. But your people go celebrate, they go party, they go pour champagne for your own death.
Amen.
You go there alive, you go there rotty. You don't ever see the cure. You don't ever see the solution to your problem.
Amen.
Because none of you go ever say he never talk what you don't invite and put or interfere into problem which not be your own. All of them, live video presenters, in fact, live video noise makers, because I know that they make, and I'm still that they present. Now, noise all of that they make. Apart from the ones they sell, they do advert of what they sell. Now, those ones be presenters. The rest of now noise makers, all of them, now noise makers are called all of now. Now, those who they do advert of their business, those are representers. Those guys are noise makers now be. If you don't ever in your life make video on you shouldn't be your own, comment on you shouldn't be your own, or call in on you shouldn't be your own, you will never know peace. You will life, you will routine. You will die alive, you will routine.
Amen.
Your death, before you die, you don't go back solution to your problem.
Amen.
As long as they pray that guy dead, that guy or that man, as long as I don't know before. That just as he say person that they celebrate, say because they talk in for matter when it be your own. Madam, you wait the guy really they talk about. Why you no go really go do what people talk?
Man, listen.
Go to DNA.
Okay.
Go carry a ball. If really your hand they clean.
Man, listen.
Really, if your hand really they clean.
Person where they talk so not be presenter, so not be live video presenter. Now the way they tell the celebrity, they promote the guy that he carry phone, the video itself, he post them. You understand? Now, at the time they tell Monica, you go and tell Monica never know. You see this matter when they look like say na saga, like na joke. People see they come from Libya, who will enter this Europe, they will come buy phone, they will enter camp, they will buy phone, they will buy SIM card, they will go get internet, they will still start live video presenter work. Now Monica, now your name, they will see the group their page. Go mark question that so they go see you. People see the come, we go see the saga you. That make they tell you when they tell you something. This is not a joke. If Baba with the smile here don't die, your matter Monica. People see we go see the saga you. We go still come for the truth. They go see they speak the truth about you. They go see they tell you the truth. You see that DNA matter where they look see that joke so your own you go pass master home. You go viral pass your master home. Your own go viral pass master home, and your own you must prevent DNA. If you don't bring the DNA come or the CNN as my brother talk. We will continue to bully you for the social media. Understand it now? A DNA, no we know my work out no my DNA, na the DNA go. Or you say go we L. Or like go we have like the work out go now. My brother go here home. What the man go here home?
Message to all live video presenters. All commenters who they comment for live video presenters video and to all callers. Get one video where I watch somebody they do live video and that person comment put. So along the line, the person can choke. Cough, con hold the person can get choke with the cough. Unfortunately, the person don't die when they comment.
Hello. What up there? Yeah. Oh yeah, go on.
If I have a fair, me celebrate where a man is, he am here to man because a man you can't come in. Already leave a message you talk only the money one go mine. Over there we are all who are hero. Over there we are you have a drunk here who according to many time in my time. So any lot celebrate where a near walk where. I think we can only have for them. Monica taking the wrong for them. When they have to celebrate, they have to celebrate that or here. They didn't want to have all the ring. Anyway, I celebrate they didn't want to celebrate that or here because I celebrate who I go no matter anything. In the very near wagon or the Guanji. And Monica, when we say when we are with DNA, a DNA, I know it for how many months now, almost 2 years now. It's not gonna kill Toma or Maya Mwebo. Oga ma ve no ba ovi abati ogwe akpore ba akpo ekpore ba ko na ate ko no vi abati. O ma igwa ati yo ya gele weru wa